Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is French crepes, and this is my favorite combination when I make crepes and when I eat crepes. This one, I have two ways to present it: the regular way that we eat crepes in my household, and of course we have the second one, which is a more unique and interesting way to serve crepes, and you'd serve it like it's a plate of pasta. And this one is very easy and very convenient to make. And eat and everything. It's absolutely delicious. You have good textures, you have good flavors. So let's show you guys how to make it. These crepes here, we have half a liter of milk for the dough, I guess. Some salt, of course, 4 eggs, 250 grams of flour that we've already sifted, vanilla extract, about 3 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And for the filling part, we have here bananas, and this would depend on how many people you're making this for. Some Nutella, and of course some roasted and pulsed almonds. So to make our dough, I really don't know what to call it, but to make dough here, we have eggs. In a bowl, we're going to add the eggs, sugar, and some salt, as well as some vanilla. And we're going to mix all of this together until everything mixes. So we've mixed it really well. Now we're going to start to slowly add in the milk while we whisk. So once you've mixed in the milk with the rest of the mixture, we're going to start adding in the flour while we whisk. So we've mixed all of the flour together, made sure that there are no lumps whatsoever. So now we're going to add in the oil, and we're going to mix it all together. So we've mixed in the oil, and here's how, as you can see, this is our batter. It's nice, light, and that's how our crepes will be, light. And there are no lumps, no granules, and make sure that it's super smooth. So now we're going to cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes, and we took a pan on low heat. We've just lightly brushed it with some oil just to avoid the sticking. And for our batter, now we're just going to give it a mix. So to cook the crepes, you're going to take your pan, you're going to put in it the mixture and spin it so that it covers the pan. And you're going to put it on heat and wait for it to dry up, and then you can flip it. So now that it has dried up from the surface, we're just going to flip it and wait for the other side to get a nice golden brown color. So it's been a couple of minutes. Now we're just going to take our crepe and flip it onto a plate where you're just going to keep them while the rest are cooking, and make sure to cover it so that the heat I guess comes back to them. And we're going to repeat the same process with everything until we cook all of our batter, and we'll move on to decorating and serving. So once we've cooked all of our crepes, we have also sliced the bananas and melted the Nutella in the microwave some 30 seconds. So for the presentation, it's quite different. So we're going to take a crepe, we're going to roll it, and using a knife, we're going to cut thin slices. So now we're going to take our presentation plate. I've cut about 2 crepes, I've rolled them and cut them out, and we're going to just randomly put them into the plate. So now we're just going to take some bananas and we're going to scatter them on the plate. Now we're going to take our Nutella and we're just going to make swirls into our plate. So now we're going to just take some of the almonds and we're going to sprinkle them on top. And our plate is ready. For the second method of presentation, we're going to make them into spring rolls. So we're going to take some of the Nutella and we're going to spread it. Next, we're going to add in the almonds. As well as the bananas. Now we're just going to start rolling, so we'll make a fold over here and a fold over here as well. And we're going to start rolling. And we're going to put it in the serving plate. So we've served them, of course, and this is what they both look like. So we have these, the regular way we tend to serve them in our household. And of course we have the interesting, unique way of serving it. So let's try them. So let's try it and let's get a little bit of everything. And this is a very easy way to eat it. The reason we decided to serve it like this is because when we eat them the regular way, you have to cut with a knife and all of that, and this is easier to eat, more convenient. So this is by far one of my favorite ways to eat crepes, because it's a lot more convenient to eat them this way. It felt like I was eating pasta, but like a sweeter version of pasta. Pasta tends to be savory. This is sweet, and it's a very nice and unique way to present things, because we all love the taste of crepes, but I feel like we all get bored of like eating it the same way over and over. So this is a different way to eat it, and I highly recommend eating it this way because it's so much easier and so much more convenient. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.